Cowabunga. Get it? It's a cowabunga. Just picked up some Chompers. These the deep fried, and I got the bacon cheeseburger ball. So take a look at that. Look at this. Bacon cheeseburger balls. Bacon cheeseburger in ball form. Oh, you know what? Ketchup actually makes that taste better. Chicken parm chompers, everyone. Chicken parm. So I guess it's cheesy and chicken on the inside. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, look at that. This is actually much more impressive than the cheeseburger one.
Oh, okay.
Let's taste. A little bit of marinara it comes with. That's really good. And this one I like a lot. I wasn't so impressed by the cheeseburger one, but now, because of this has this nugget of melty cheese inside it. It's kind of like a meaty cheese stick, and it does give you the whole chicken parm vibe, especially when you get the little bit of marinara on it. Oh yeah. All right, Chompers chicken parm ball of goodness. It says it on the sign, balls of goodness. I'm not making that up. All right, the maple and bacon hot dog from Ferrindino Maple Farms. Apparently they boil the hot dogs in maple syrup, as well as put maple syrup and bacon on top of the hot dog. Let's see how this is. And this is their own maple mustard as well. What I like about this, and this is something I complain about all the time when they're putting maple in things, that it would be too sweet, and this is not too sweet. This is actually, it's actually quite tasty with the way the maple and the bacon. Oh yeah. I'm gonna finish up the rest of this delightful hot dog. I'll see you guys at the next food stand. We have the Flatliner burger. 2 patties, 2 slices of cheese, chili, cheese sauce, fries, and bacon. All right, I'm gonna put the lid on it and then take a bite. It's a really basic kind of burger. The bun is very much a supermarket white bread. The chili is really where most of the flavor is. But beyond that, it's pretty boring. I don't know. I got all this cheese and chili dripping down my face. I'm not blown away by it. What can I say? I've had a few other opinions on this, and I think it's pretty universal that it's a mediocre burger. I think if they use higher quality ingredients like the meats, the cheese, the bacon even, then maybe. I mean, it's kind of constructed for the shock value more than anything else, but it doesn't shock me with the flavor. So it's good, but I have had better burgers at this fair. So I would focus on the other ones. I'm getting a lot of sweet from the barbecue sauce and the pulled pork. I'm getting a lot of sweet from the waffle, the pearl sugar, and I'm not getting enough balance out of this one. I am back at MACKEN'S Specialty Sliders to try their other waffle burger, the bacon cheese waffle burger, no pulled pork. Just a bite. I just want to see.
Redemption burger.
You know what? That one, that's the one to get. Because you still get that sweetness from the pearl sugar in the waffle, but balanced out. It's much better balance. The bacon is good quality. And then the burger meat, oh, it's so good. So, all right, that was the redemption for MACKEN'S Specialty Sliders. Get the bacon cheese waffle burger. That's the way to do it. Wow. Potato and cheese. These are great. They're super crisp on the outside. So I got the Polish plate, which is 3 pierogis, a kielbasa, and kapusta. Basically, it's like sauerkraut. Very juicy, natural casing, a little bit of smoke on it. The only reason I ordered this was I wanted something that wasn't fried, something a little unique. There we go.
We got a sucker at 30 bucks.
Oh yeah, that's great. Pulled pork, pretzel bites. And we got a B. I'm trying to find something I like about this. I don't care for it. It's not even like smoked pulled pork, it's just like a shredded pork. It's got the sauerkraut, but with the honey mustard, it makes it a little too sweet, kind of vinegary, more like a coleslaw. Not at all what I was hoping it would be. It's kind of a disappointment. Porky pretzel bites from the Wurst Haus.
Is it the worst?
It's definitely not the best of the worst. Dilly dog. It's a dill pickle. But there's a hot dog inside it, and then they dipped it in corn dog batter. I don't know if it's going to be a huge mess when I bite into it, but we'll find out. The pickle kind of maintains its integrity there, and then the hot dog breaks off and comes out. You don't really get the all-in-one bite experience because the pickle's tougher than the hot dog. And for some reason, you get a massive amount of breading on this compared to the actual diameter of the pickle. I expect pickles to be cold and refreshing, and this is a hot pickle. But it sure is fun as hell to have a hot dog inside a pickle inside a corn dog. I'm not quite sure what to make of this. Oh well. End of day 2. Maple creamy from Ferrindino Maple Farms. Nice, sweet, really dense. This has a very thick, creamy feeling to it, so hence the name Creamy. Biggie 2023, everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. I had a great time. See you guys next year.